Hi, my name is Gerald, and today I'm going to show you how to add an affiliate product to your Drupal 7 website. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and pull up the website and sign in. To sign into the administrative section of the site, we simply need to go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in user login. And this will take us to the sign-in form. So once I sign into the admin, I'll want to go to the top of the screen again, and I'll see our administrative toolbar. We're going to want to add content, so to do that, we're actually going to click on the content menu. This will open up an admin page for all of our site's content. From this page, you could actually manage all of your site's nodes. So whether you want to edit or mass delete content, such as articles or products, etc., you can do that from here. Or you can mass edit, delete, or update comments for your different nodes, or even manage scheduled items. Maybe you have articles that are waiting to be published. You can manage that from this tab as well. What we're going to do today is actually create new content. So you'll see the link for add content, and this will allow us to add any type of content that we have on the website. In this case, we have quite a few different types of content, or what we call nodes, and what we're going to add today is what's called an affiliate product. So an affiliate product basically is just a piece of information or an article that's an item that you want to link to another website. So for example, if we were hosting a product on a shopping cart somewhere else, but we wanted to kind of promote it on our blog, we could go ahead and list that affiliate product here and link it back to that other website. So to add an affiliate product, it's actually pretty simple. All we're going to do is paste in all the basic information for the product that we need. So standard stuff: title, description, image, a URL to link it to, whatever the SKU is, etc. So first thing we'll do here is pull up our other product page on another store, and I'm going to highlight and copy the title. So I'll right click on the title after I highlight it and hit copy. Then I'll go back to the affiliate product form here and right click in the title box and click paste. And that will nicely paste in the title. Now in the description box, we just want to put in some sort of description for this item. So I'm going to go back to the store page and highlight and copy the existing description for this product, and we will paste it in the description box. Now to paste it in the description box, you just click in the box and hit Control V as in Victor on your keyboard. And that's your shortcut for pasting. As you can see, it's pasted in there for us. Now if for whatever reason I needed to add images or maybe change font color, etc. for the product description, I could actually change my text format from filtered to full HTML. And that just basically gives me a lot more options in terms of how I can edit the description. So I can add color, images, or maybe some flash. But in this case, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And we'll go ahead and scroll down here. We have another field called product URL. Basically, this is the URL that we want to link the affiliate product to. So in this case, that would be the other store website that we're trying to promote here. So I'm going to go back to that product page, and I'll see the URL in the URL address bar. And I'm going to highlight, right click, and copy the URL for this product, and I will paste it in the URL box. Now if for whatever reason you don't want to link your affiliate product page to any other store website out there, you can simply leave the URL box blank. That will also automatically remove the Buy Now button that the link usually is associated with. So you'll no longer have any type of Buy Now button on the affiliate product page, and it won't link to anything if you leave that blank. So in this case, we are going to go ahead and put a URL in there. And then the next thing we want to do is get a SKU. So I'm just going to take that from the store site here as well, which is the same thing as an item number. So I'll right click and copy, and then I'll paste in the SKU in the SKU field. Now under the MSRP, again we can just type in a price for MSRP. In this case, there's no listed MSRP for this product, so we'll just leave that blank. But I am going to go ahead and copy the retail price. I'll paste that in the hour price field, which is the same thing. This is the price that's being asked. Now you want to be careful not to paste in the $, as it's already included as a label for this field. If for whatever reason you don't want a price to be displayed, you can simply leave this field blank, as we did with MSRP. Since the MSRP is blank, it will not show up any value for the affiliate product when it's published. The next thing we want to do here is categorize our product. So to do that, I'll just go ahead and use the same category that's used on this website here, called running lights. So to create a new category, I can just type in my category in this field. If the category already existed, it would actually pop up automatically. But as you can see, as I started to type, nothing's popping up. Well, in this case, it actually is because I did create the category. So as you can see, when I start to type, the category will pop up automatically because it exists. If it had not existed, you could still type in your category, and it will automatically be created when you save this page. That's all you have to do. So if I wanted to create another category and put this in a second category, I would add a comma, and then I type in my second category. So I'll just type in second category as an example. Now, second category doesn't actually exist, but it will after I save this page. So you don't have to do anything further here. If I wanted second category to be created, it would automatically be created because I typed it in this field. Now we don't want this category, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it, and we'll leave the category running lights. Okay, so the last thing here is what's called special product category. Now this will typically can be several different categories if they existed. The main one that's pretty much found on most sites will be what's called your featured special product category. The featured category is for things like featured products. So on the home page, there's usually a block that will display a bunch of items that are marked as featured. If we were to actually select featured, this item would then be displayed on that home page block. If we don't want it to be displayed, we can just leave it as none, and it won't be displayed under the featured products block. The last thing we need to do here is actually add a product for this product, or an image, excuse me. So to add an image, we'll go ahead and go back to the affiliate product. I'm going to right click on the image and hit view image. Now this image is kind of small, and that's because the URL providing the image actually resizes it in the URL, but we can fix that. So what I'm going to do here is go to the address bar. I'm going to look for the file extension and the file name, and that's the JPG. So when you see the .jpg, that's the file extension. I'm going to delete everything after that file extension. Now sometimes it could be PNG or GIF instead of the JPG. But in this case it's JPG, so everything after .jpg I'm going to delete. And then I can just hit enter, and that will actually give me a much bigger image. Now I'm just going to save this. Once I have the image saved, I can go back to my form for the affiliate product, hit browse under product image, and find my picture. Once I select the image, I just hit upload. And now I need to fill in an alternate text and a title. It's good practice to make sure you actually fill these fields in. You don't want to leave them blank. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and just use our affiliate product title for the alternate text, as well as the title text for the image. So I just paste that title in both fields. That's all there is to it for creating an affiliate product. It's just copy and paste all the important information for the item, and then just saving. So if we go down to the bottom of the page, there are some more tabs here that you'll never really use for affiliate products. If for whatever reason you wanted to enable comments for affiliate products, they are disabled by default, but you could enable them here by simply selecting open. We're not going to do that because we really don't have a need for comments for this particular content type. Then you have scheduling options. If you absolutely need to control what day this item is to be published, if you don't want it to be published right away, you could schedule a future date right here. Or if this item does have an expiration date, perhaps, maybe some sort of promotional end, you could actually type in a date for it to be unpublished if it was only available for a limited period of time. That's not the case here, so we're going to leave both of these fields blank for now. Meta tags you don't need to fill in. We actually have it configured so that the meta tags are automatically generated for you based on the title and the description provided in the content type. So that way you're guaranteed that the meta tags will be 100% relevant to the true content you're using for your page here. Under authoring information, if for whatever reason you need to override the authored date or the actual author, you could do that here. Usually, again, this isn't something that's necessary for most people. And then publishing options. By default, it is published once you save it unless you use the scheduling options. So if you do need to unpublish this for whatever reason and you want to come back later and publish it, you could uncheck that box and then publish it later under your content admin. Again, that's not the case here, so we're just going to leave all the defaults alone and we're not going to change anything. And then I'm simply going to hit save. Once I click save, this will take me to the product page. And as you can see, it automatically fills out everything nicely for us. We have a title, a picture, and we have our price, our category, etc. So that's all there is to it. You can see the Buy Now buttons there for us. If we were to click on it, it actually opens a new window and it starts to take us to the other website that we're linking to for this product. If we didn't want that to show up, again, all we'd have to do is just leave the URL field blank and the Buy Now buttons would not be displayed. So as you can see, it only took us a couple minutes here to add an affiliate product. There's only a few fields you got to copy and paste your information in. But overall, it's a very simple process. After you do it a few times, you'll feel very comfortable adding your affiliate products to your website.